Namaste everyone, welcome back to Jyovis. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today we're talking about oily skin versus dry skin. How to have that balance between excess oiliness and excess dryness. I'll also be sharing with you the best product for your skin type. So let's begin this video. As we grow from a child to a teenage, we experience a lot of physical changes, a lot of mental changes. Similarly, there is a change in the hormone levels and change in our skin. During puberty, the hormone levels in our body are constantly fluctuating for the normal growth of the body. Now, what do I mean by normal growth? Like girls achieve their menarche, which is periods, boys get beard, changes in their voice and other different growth. As the hormones are constantly imbalanced, teenagers complain about two problems, that either they experience excess oily skin or excess dry skin. Now I've been getting a lot of questions regarding which skin is the best skin. And let me tell you, oily skin without acne is the best skin. Now why did I point out towards oily skin? Let's take an example of a rubber band. If there is no elasticity in a rubber band, is it even useful? Similarly, oiliness on our face is a sign of healthy skin because oily skin has high elastin and high collagen. Elastin and collagen are two proteins of our skin because of which our skin remains tight, healthy and we have a natural glow on our face. That was about oily skin. Now let's talk about dry skin. People with dry skin experience cracked, dehydrated skin. Their skin looks darker and even their hair looks dry and frizzy. Now what are the basic things to overcome these problems? What are the basic things to have that balance between excess oiliness and excess dryness? Number one, you have to know the pH of your skin. pH is the potential hydrogen. For example, how we measure vegetables in kilograms, cloth in meter or milk in liters. Similarly, how can one measure their own skin? Skin is measured by its pH. As the pH of our skin is 4.5 to 5.5, one must use home cares accordingly. For those with excess oily skin, have their pH below 5.5 and such people should use products in gel form or products in lotion form. What are the products in gel form? There is aloe vera gel, neem gel, cucumber gel, etc. What I recommend to people with excess of oily skin is aloe vera gel of Aloe Derm company. Similarly, for those with excess dry skin, have their pH above 5.5 and such people should use products in either cream form or else products in serum form. One who uses products or home cares according to the pH of their skin is able to have that balance between excess oiliness and excess dryness. Along with this, a balanced diet, proper amount of fluids and proper sleep is equally very important. In the last video series of face mapping, we've spoken about why different skin problems occur on different locations of our face. Be it blackheads, whiteheads, cystic acne, forehead tanning, wrinkles, pigmentation. What are the different causes behind this and what are the methods of treatment? We've covered each and every part of our face. So if you haven't seen those videos, you can click on this button and you can go through those videos. This was all for today's video. If you have any questions, any doubts, feel free to ask them in the comment section. Thank you for liking and sharing this video with your friends and family members. Until next time, from Jyovis, sayonara. See you.